Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This video we will talk about round 1 reporting process. What is the meaning of online reporting? Many questions you might be having in your mind like is resignation possible after you join the seat in the first round? How you should go for the upgradation in the second round? What if you got a better rank in NEET SS, the examination on 24th, and you wish to leave the joint seat through NEET SS counseling? Do you need to go to the institute for reporting because the notification says online reporting? Does it mean that you can do the reporting from your home? Do you need to pay that complete first year tuition fee at the time of reporting? In case the seat get upgraded in the second round, how to get the fee and the document deposited in the previous institute? When the cutoff revision would happen, we will try to cover up all these things in this video. If you are new here, please do subscribe and share with others. You can join our Telegram, our WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description of the video. And those who are waiting for the cutoff revision, you can also stay tuned because after reporting gets over, we will soon get to know about the cutoff revision. What documents required, complete detailing you will get here. In case you are interested to go with our paid counseling guidance, you can look at those packages on the website neetmentor.co.in. You can also get access to our portals where you can get the details like fee, stipend, bond, choice filling, cutoff for last year and this year already updated. Let's talk about the process of reporting. First of all, the reporting will be done at the institute level. Okay, for those who got their DNV seats, they can pay the online fee from the link given in the allotment letter. In your allotment letter, you will be finding one mobile number also, which is nothing but the mobile number of the nodal person from the institute. Nodal person is the person who is responsible for your reporting process. You can't directly talk to the principal or the chairperson. You will be talking to authorized person and number is also given. So you may also call to the person in case you have any kind of confusion. Okay. See, this online notification is here. This online allotment, online reporting is for the purpose of the institutes. So it is a notice given to the institute that institute must log into intra MCC portal, and intra MCC portal is a kind of like internal portal which is not accessible to all the candidates. As the name suggests, is intra MCC portal. So on the intra MCC portal, they upload their seat matrix. On the same portal, they will log in. The institutes will log in. You won't have the authorities or access to the intra MCC portal. They will log in and complete your reporting. So how it is interlinked, the MCC will ultimately come to know this candidate have got the reporting done in this institute. So it bypass all the illegal kind of reporting. Okay, so no offline reporting is possible. It's not possible that you can go to the college or the institutes. The authority will give you the admission letter without making a representation at intra MCC portal. So this is online interconnected portals to bypass all the illegal activities or illegal reporting. So it doesn't mean that you don't need to go to institute. You need to go to institute. After the verification of the documents only, they will log into intra MCC and they will complete the reporting process. After fees and all those things are done. And ultimately they will give you one letter which will have MCC logo, and it will look like a letter published from MCC DGHS as it's given on the screen now. Okay, that confirms that you have done the reporting, and nobody can say against any nobody can say that you have not reported to the college. This is the proof. Okay, after reporting is done, so what is the next step? During the reporting, you have to say that you want to get upgraded for the next round. Okay, so that's you need to do. In the second round you have to do the choice filling again. Is resignation possible after joining? See, regarding the resignation they have not spoken anything, but after joining they will publish on the MCC portal a notice for the resignation process. So that time you can resign, but in any case 2 lakhs security deposit will be lost. Those who are not able to report, they can participate in the second round. Registration is not required to be done again, but 2 lakhs of deposit to be paid again, and you can participate. In case you got a better rank in INSS, then you can look at the notification that what is the last date of resignation, if it comes, and you can resign it. Or if the resignation date is over, then what you can do, you can upgrade in the second round to some DNB institute, and you take the documents and money back from the previous institute if it was DM and MCH. Don't join the allotted institute in the second round, because in case you don't join any DR and DNB, you will be debarred for further 2 years. But since you are very sure about getting admission through INSS counseling, you don't even care about debar. That is kind of like workaround that you can get away from NEET SS counseling. You will just lose 2 lakhs security deposit. There won't be any kind of penalty because you will have the document. Okay, and whatever seat you got allotted in the second round or upgraded seat will be going to the third round, because third round, or they call it a stray round in this year, a counseling is going to happen. Yes, you need to pay the first year tuition fee with other first year tuition fee either through RTGS or DD. Better to pay through DD because they won't encash the DD until the second round is completed. So in case you get upgraded in the second round, they can hand over the DD that you deposited and the documents. Okay, cutoff reduction would happen only after the reporting for the first round is done. Okay, and I'll try to put a separate video like what is the percentile, okay, for how much score. So pretty much this is the process. And now coming to the document. So in the MCC brochure, the mandatory documents are given. Original documents required at the time of joining in the allotment medical colleges. Coming to DRDMB, they might not be asking you to submit the original documents. Scan copy, Xerox copy would be sufficient. In some of the institute, they will ask you to submit the original documents also. So provisional allotment letter, which is nothing but your allotment letter which you downloaded yesterday. Second thing, admit card, NEET SS 2024 admit card, score card, third document. These are mandatory documents. And MBBS degree or the provisional. In case you don't have the degree, then you should be able to furnish the provisional. MDMS TNB certificate. Okay, MDMS, your PG certificate from the concerned department. The permanent registration after MBBS or after PG, okay, by MCI or state level medical council. Okay, provisional certificate will only be applicable in case you are completing the post graduation by 30th of April. Okay, for the current batch. Cut-off date of qualifying MDMS or DNB broad specialty for appearing in NEET SS counseling, already they have updated 30th of April. Okay, your high school or higher secondary certificate for births or birth certificate for date of birth proof, and you should carry your identity proof with photograph. These are the mandatory documents, and other list of documents, okay, which they are asking might be applicable, might not be applicable, given on the right side. Your provisional allotment letter, caste certificate is not required. Admit card, mark sheet, then your 12th mark sheet also. In some institutes they might be asking your mark sheet for all the years in MBBS and PG, your degree certificate for MBBS and PG, your passing certificate for MBBS and PG, and registration certificate for PG and MBBS, MBBS internship completion certificate, certificate for institutes proving that the institute from where you completed PG is recognized by MCI. If you don't have such certificate, you can get and take a screenshot from NMC website. Any kind of like migration, if you don't have, you can submit it later. Any kind of gap, if you applicable, everywhere they won't be asking about the gap certificate. Okay, and in case you are in service, okay, so NOC and bond release certificate, or receipt of amount paid for the releasing of bond, PAN card, Aadhaar card, medical fitness certificate, your photograph and scan copy of all these, and 2 set of photocopies. These are the documents required. So hopefully I covered most of the things which was required to get clarification on. In case you have some queries still pending, you can comment on this comment section of the video, and you can join that WhatsApp group and you can ask questions here also. Here, that's open group. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.